Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of repurposed wooden decor design ideas by turning waste wood into stunning eco-luxury designs. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Repurposed decor has become far more than just a creative design trend. It's a movement that celebrates artistry, sustainability, and a deeper connection with the materials that shape our living spaces. At its core, it's about giving forgotten, discarded, or ordinary items a second chance to shine, transforming them into stunning works of functional art. In a world increasingly defined by fast consumption and fleeting trends, repurposed decor stands as a testament to thoughtfulness and craftsmanship. It invites us to slow down, to see beauty where others see waste, and to reimagine how our homes can reflect not just style, but also values and mindfulness. From simple decorative accents to elegant, rustic statement pieces, every creation tells a story, one of transformation, purpose, and harmony between human creativity and nature's quiet elegance. When you embrace repurposed decor, you're not merely decorating your home, you're participating in a cycle of renewal and respect. Imagine the timeless charm of an old wooden ladder reimagined as a bookshelf, or a weathered door turned into a rustic dining table, each piece infused with history and authenticity. These creations carry a soul that mass-produced furniture can never replicate. They tell stories of hands that once shaped them, of trees that once stood tall, and of a world where sustainability and artistry walk hand in hand. Repurposing is not just a design choice, it's a creative philosophy that inspires homeowners and makers alike to create with conscience and care. Every piece becomes a statement, not only of beauty but of purpose. Eco-friendly design trends are at the forefront of modern living because they bridge the gap between luxury and responsibility. Gone are the days when sustainable decor meant dull or minimalist designs. Today's repurposed creations exude warmth, texture, and elegance while aligning with the values of conscious living. Designers and home enthusiasts alike are turning to reclaimed wood, salvaged metal, recycled glass, and natural fibers to craft interiors that are both sophisticated and sustainable. This movement celebrates imperfection, the natural knots in wood, the patina of age, the subtle cracks that tell a story. These details remind us that beauty doesn't always lie in symmetry or uniformity. Sometimes it's found in the raw honesty of nature and time. The magic of repurposed decor lies in its versatility. It adapts seamlessly to any home style, whether modern, rustic, industrial, or bohemian, because it carries an authenticity that complements all aesthetics. A reclaimed wooden console can add depth to a sleek modern hallway. An old crate turned into a coffee table can bring warmth to a minimalist living room. Even simple touches like repurposed mason jars, vintage window frames, or wooden pallets can instantly transform a space from ordinary to inspiring. These pieces remind us that creativity has no boundaries and beauty often lives in the most unexpected places. For creators, repurposed decor is also a gateway to entrepreneurship. The growing demand for handmade, sustainable furniture and art offers endless opportunities for woodworkers, crafters, and eco-conscious designers. Buyers today are no longer drawn solely to flawless finishes or brand names. They crave meaning. They seek pieces that speak to their values, tell a story, and make a statement about who they are. A repurposed coffee table made from salvaged barn wood isn't just furniture. It's a conversation starter, a link between past and present, a piece of art that carries emotional and environmental significance. The market for such designs continues to expand, driven by a global awareness of sustainability and a longing for authenticity in design. This blend of ethics and aesthetics is redefining what luxury truly means. True luxury today is not about excess, but about intention. It's found in the unique textures of reclaimed materials, in the craftsmanship of handmade pieces, and in the quiet satisfaction of knowing that your home tells a story of care and consciousness. Repurposed decor also fosters creativity within the community. It encourages collaboration between artisans, homeowners, and local businesses, sparking movements of shared sustainability. Markets, workshops, and online platforms dedicated to repurposed crafts are thriving, creating a culture where eco-friendly design is not only accessible but celebrated. It brings together people who believe that design can be a force for good, that beauty and sustainability can coexist harmoniously. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Each item, whether small or grand, becomes part of a larger story, one that honors sustainability, creativity, and mindful living. It's this emotional connection that makes repurposed decor timeless, allowing it to transcend fleeting trends and become part of a lifestyle rooted in purpose. Moreover, eco-friendly design trends are shaping the future of interior decor by encouraging a return to balance. As people become more aware of environmental issues, there's a growing desire to make sustainable choices in every aspect of life, including how we furnish our homes. Repurposed decor empowers individuals to be part of that change without sacrificing elegance or comfort. It's about creating beauty responsibly, reducing waste, conserving resources, and crafting homes that nurture both the soul and the planet. Every project completed, every piece sold, and every home transformed becomes part of a global ripple of positive change. In essence, repurposed decor is more than a trend. It's a reflection of a growing consciousness about how we live, create, and consume. It's an invitation to reimagine waste as opportunity, to replace convenience with creativity, and to reconnect with the natural materials that surround us. From a simple branch turned into a wall shelf to a grand dining table made from reclaimed beams, every creation becomes a testament to what's possible when we blend vision with respect for the earth. As our world becomes increasingly aware of sustainability, repurposed decor stands out as a symbol of hope and artistry. It reminds us that elegance doesn't have to come at the expense of the environment, that with imagination and care, we can craft beauty that lasts, inspires, and makes a difference. Each piece of repurposed decor is not just an object, but a bridge between past and present, between resourcefulness and refinement. It's about more than creating stylish homes. It's about crafting stories that endure, designs that inspire, and a future where creativity and sustainability walk hand in hand. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked repurposed wooden decor design ideas by turning waste wood into stunning eco-luxury designs. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Crafting repurposed decor is also deeply personal. It challenges the maker to see potential where others see uselessness. It's a journey of imagination, where a pile of discarded wood becomes a sculptural lamp, or old shutters find new life as rustic wall art. Every creation is an act of transformation, turning the forgotten into something functional and beautiful. And in that process, creators often find themselves transformed too. They learn patience, innovation, and the joy of crafting something that contributes positively to both the environment and the human spirit. The emotional value of repurposed decor goes beyond aesthetics. There's a certain warmth and comfort that comes from surrounding yourself with pieces that have history and meaning. A home filled with repurposed designs feels lived in, grounded, and authentic. It reflects not only the personality of its inhabitants, but also their respect for craftsmanship and the natural world.